I can't believe you've never heard about this. You're gonna make so much money.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com. Back at it again with some fire-ass content teaching you how to make money online. Now in this specific video, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make $100 per day for free. Guys, this is an absolutely free method. You can be dead broke, and you guys can apply this method as soon as today to start cashing out on big profits, right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you guys at the end of this video a simple hack that you guys can use to literally barely do any work and make so much freaking money so fast. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm the overexcited, skinny, light-skinned guy who teaches people about entrepreneurship and how to make money online. If you like those type of videos, go ahead and smash that subscribers button and hit that notification bell right now. Now let's get into the content, but before we do, my #1 recommendation to make money online, which you can make thousands of dollars per day, will be the first link in the description. Take action. Now let's get into the content. First, in order to do that, let's step behind the laptop. Boom! We're behind the laptop. So what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is something called Text Broker, to where you guys can literally type and make money. Now, what is Text Broker? Basically, what Text Broker is people or companies or businesses who are looking for content writers, right? They go ahead and, right, they broker. What brokerage means is kind of like a real estate broker. Is as a real estate broker, you're brokering a deal. You're brokering the deal between the purchase of a house and the purchase of the buyer. And this, they're brokering text, right? They're brokering the content writer and the person who needs content, right? So where do you come in with this? You can go ahead and write content, but I'm going to show you guys a secret tip to where you guys can cheat. You don't even have to write. You guys can cash out and make so much money, right? So with that being said, you're the writer, Text Broker is in the middle, and on the back end is the person who's going to put money in your pocket. Now, how does this work? We'll go ahead and get into it in a second. Now, just to show you guys the legitimacy of Text Broker, Staples, eBay, Auto, iProspect, 101, like these big multi-million-dollar companies are clients of Text Broker, and this is 10-year anniversary. So this isn't just some old company, right? They've been around the block. Now, how does this work? You either need content or you write content. That's where you come in, right? How does Text Broker work? So we're gonna go ahead and see how it works. Now, basically, it's a very simple process, guys. You register for free and verify. Now, unfortunately, it's for US only, right? I do have other methods on my YouTube channel for people who are not from US, but this is for US, right? #2, you're gonna go ahead and write a sample, right? So you're gonna submit a sample to show or portray your writing skills. Now, what you can do is if you're not the best of writers, right, you can literally go to Upwork, or actually Fiverr or Upwork.com, right? You make a simple investment. And I'm going to tell you why it's important to make this investment in a second, right? Now, what you can do is you can go to article writers. Now, I personally would do like Upwork.com. If you go to Upwork.com and you find somebody who writes articles, you guys can find somebody who writes articles for $10 an hour, right? They write one article for you for $10. Look, if you notice, but you can see their rating on Upwork, and then if they write a really good article for you, what's going to happen is it's going to automatically rank you guys, and I'll show you what that means in a second. So you're going to get your rating. This is where it's important, guys, because depending on your rating will depend on how much they actually pay you as a writer. So if you suck as a writer, right, you might as well set yourself up with the best possibility of earning the highest possible income. And that's why, me personally, if I was to do this method, I would go to Upwork, I'd find somebody who is an expert at writing, and then I'd get this rating. Guys, literally as soon as you guys rate yourself, right, once you guys rate yourself very high, you're automatically going to be able to get jobs at the highest earning potential, right, to where you'll get that initial investment back right away, right? So next is you're going to complete your author profile, and then you're just going to start writing for cash, right? It's very simple. Now, how do you actually get paid is the question. That's what you're probably looking for, and that's what we're going to dive into. Now, payments. This is how it works, guys. Simply, you get paid per word, right? Now, at a glance, depending, if you're a shitty writer, right, you get paid 7 cents or 0.7 cents. You don't even get paid a penny per word, right? Now, if you're okay writer, right, you get paid 1 cent per word, and then you get paid 1.4 cents per word if you're 4 stars, and then you get paid 5 cents per word if you're 5 stars. Now, let me give you guys an example. Upwork.com, and then you go to article writer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and filter to under $10 an hour, $10 and below, right? Upwork.com is just somewhere where you guys can find freelancers, right? Now, if you notice, and we're also going to filter to $90 and above. Alright, so guys, these top 2 people charge $10 an hour, and you get paid, and they have a 100% success rate, right? So another person, you want to look for somebody who's earned a little bit of money but has a really high success rate. If you buy a quick article, if they charge $10 an hour, literally pay $10 for an article, you submit that writing, boom, you're already at a 5-star, you're making 5 cents per word. Now, in order to make $100 per day, because that's the target, guys, in order to make $100 per day with this method, the objective, guys, is 5 cents per word, right? And the magic number is 2,000 words, right? Let's do the math. 5 cents times 2,000 equals $100. Now, if you guys want to go above and beyond, shoot, if you write 4,000 words, you're at $200 per day. If you write 8,000 words, you're at $400 per day. And if you write freaking more than that, then you're just making a ridiculous amount of money, right? Completely up to you. Now, let's dig into this. What is the secret hack? First, you're going to go ahead and submit an article that you did not write to get your ranking built, right? Next, what we're going to do is, what does 2,000 words look like, right? So 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, 5 page, 6 page, right? That's how you got to write per day, right? To make $100 per day. But that's the visual representation of what 200 words looks like. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to use the same thing, Google Documents, right? You simply, if you have a Google account, you go to google.com, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to these little things right here. You're going to go down below, and there's going to be something called Docs, right? You just need a Gmail account. Now, what you're going to do is all you need is a laptop. Not a laptop, just a microphone. I'm currently on my laptop, so I'm going to leverage the microphone of my laptop, and here's the simple hack. So once you guys secure that ranking and you guys become a text broker, you guys can literally write super freaking fast without even writing, right? And I'm going to show you guys in a second. What we're going to do is simply use the voice tool for Google Docs, right? So voice typing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to speak, and then I'm going to show you guys how fast you guys can type, right? This simple hack is amazing. You guys are going to be able to write so many articles. You guys are going to get paid so much money, right? And that's simple, right? So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and write an article about Text Broker. This is what I would do. Did I click it to speak? Oh, okay. Hold on. So currently I am writing an article about Text Broker, period. I want to show you how well Google Docs performs if I want to write an article, period. You don't have to be the best writer to use this skill set, period. To be honest, you don't even need any skills, period. You just need a voice and a microphone, period. If you know how to speak, you can write articles super freaking fast and make a lot of money, period. How long did that take me, guys? That probably took me like, not even long. But if we look here, I just wrote 66 words. I just wrote 66 words in less than a minute. So you do the math there. If I could write 100 words in a minute, right, all I have to do is 20 minutes of my time and I write an article. Boom, you're at $100 per day with 20 minutes worth of work. It's that simple, guys. So with that being said, that's how you make $100 per day simply by typing with 20 minutes worth of work. You simply go on TextBroker, right? You register as a freelancer. To improve your ranking, you can go have somebody else write an article for you. Guys, $10. Here's the thing, guys. Even if you have somebody improve your rankings with $10, even if I'm making a cent per word, right? A cent per word, I'm literally making off of a 2,000 word article, I'm making $20. So you've already made your investment back. It's worth it, right? So if you guys like that method, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that notifications bell. Hit that subscribers button, because I create heat on the daily, teaching you guys how to make money online and how to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So you guys don't have to work for a boss. So you guys can literally work from home, make money online, and enjoy the life that I have been able to live, right? So if you guys want a even better method to where you guys can make even more money, right? This year limited to about $100 per day, $200 per day if you're a real hustler. If you guys want to make in the thousands per day, I currently do something called affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, where I sell these high ticket products that help people tremendously, but you get compensated very heavily doing so, right? That'll be the first link in the description. And with that being said, guys, grab access to that, take action. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notifications bell. I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.